Now, if you want to sell print on demand products on eBay with Printify, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you need to set things up first. So that includes you creating your Printify account and also your eBay account or eBay seller account. Now, once you have those two, you're pretty much set on creating your first product and selling your product from Printify in eBay. Now, first things first is we need to understand how these two actually connect. Well, the thing with eBay and Printify, as of this moment, there's no app or third-party app here that you could use to directly connect these two platforms. Now, if you want to create an order or if you want to sell on eBay here using Printify, well, you may need to create your orders manually. Now, how do you exactly create your orders here? Well, in Printify, you first need to make sure that your products already being created. So, for example, I already created my product here. I already have one product. So, if you don't have one, create one. Or you want to go and just go create your own product here and see. And once you've done that, you should be able to start selling. Now, in this case, once you have your product created, obviously there's a whole process creating a shirt here. But once you do have it prepared, what you need to do is you want to go to orders at the left side. Now, at the top right, you should see the create order button. Click on create, and this is what you'll be using later on. But how do you exactly use it if you don't have the details of your customer on Printify here? Well, on eBay, this is where you'll be getting the details. So what you need to do is you want to go and just basically go to eBay here, go to my eBay, or you want to go to sell and click on the create listing. Now the thing with this one is, again, like what I said, you need to create things manually here. So for example, I'm just going to say this is going to be a shirt. Just press enter here. And from here, you want to go and just customize or enter the necessary details. Now, it's going to recommend you different matches, but I'm going to click on continue to without match. Now, from here, you can go and just choose either one of the following here. So I'm going to say a new without tags. Click on continue. And from here, you should be able to start filling out the details. So the details include the following, like for example, the front, the back, the brand, the measurements. So measurements is really important. Also the title, so what's the name of your shirt here, the category, and a lot more. So you can even add variations if you create variations of your product here. But once you've created this, and once you've posted your listing here, basically people will be able to start buying from your listing. And once they actually bought from your eBay account here, you should be able to receive their details, their address here, since you need to ship the actual product itself. So you need to get those details, go back into Printify, click on the manual option here, and click on select. Now and once you've selected the actual product that you're going to ship out, you want to go and click on shipping here, and just enter the necessary details like the recipient and the shipping address and a lot more. Once you've done that, you can go and click on calculate shipping, and that should basically allow you to make the transfer. But yeah, so I would highly recommend you to add like some leeway here, like where the product is coming from. So in this case, go and just specify those details here. And once you've also, like, if you're not sure about the actual shipping cost here, you may want to add a bit more on your product here, so that it actually covers the shipping costs. But then again, it depends on your whole process here. So if you found an app, or if you create your own app or process here that allows you to connect these two platforms, it's going to be a lot easier. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.